Hi, in this project I will scale the fishing lure. Fishing lure comes in standard weight 50 grams, 100 grams, 150 grams. Some of the model don't make a certain weight. The performance of a fishing lure depends on its ability to present to the fish when it's in the water. It has a shape that when it descends into the water it will move, and the coating will coat with reflective plastic film, and this will reflect the light and will make the fish see the fishing lure. Each of these has a different movement when it's descend or rise in the water. The shape of the fishing lure is very important. So in this project, one of my friends, he's an angler, he wants to make 150 grams out of this. He likes the shape, but he wants more weight, 150 grams. And he also wants a 50 grams. But this fishing lure is only made 100 grams. So I will scan this and then I will scale it in Blender, and then I print ABS, and then I will make a silicone mold for casting. So I'll scan the fish in a vertical position, and I use turntable to rotate it, and I will use the CR Scan Otter to scan it without the marker, because usually the fishing lure has curvature and it can be tracked using its geometry, so it would be quicker to scan the fish lure. So I need to hold this fish lure in a vertical position. The clay will not hold it because it's heavy, so I use vice grip and I place it in the center so that I can scan it. And then I move the table toward the edge so that the cable from the scanner won't be hitting the handles of the vice grip. I scan in small mode, geometry, high quality, exclude flatbed, works on the otter, so I will click yes. Because the fish is in the vertical position, and so I will hold the scanner like this, get a better capture area, and I flip the screen 90 degrees. Okay, looks alright. I start the scanner. There's some crevice here, so I will move. I want to scan some of crevice. Okay, let's process the point cloud. Okay, let's clean this up. (0.1). This looks nice. I don't need this hoop. I will delete it. Like this. Okay, because I will send this into Blender, so I will mesh it 600,000 faces. I think I have deleted that. Let's try again. Yeah, it's already gone. But it's come back when you mesh it. I'll do this. I will delete it, and then I will use the Blender to remesh this object. Okay, I export it in Blender, files, import, obj, and I hit scale to 0.001. So we have fish here. Adjust the unit centimeters. So I adjust the volume in cc. So I change it into centimeters, and then set geometry to origin. See, this fish is not symmetry, so that it will spin when it descends or rises in the water. Click on the object, apply or transform. Now the scale is applied to the object. Next, I will remesh the model so that it will close the holes here, and I will prepare it for sculpting. Click on this modifier, add, generate, remesh. So click on smooth tab, Occ3 depth, 9 or 10. I try 10 because this one is small. Now it's close. It closed better than the CR scan apply. So I'm gonna fill the eyes and fix the edge here that damaged, and Then I will scale it. I scale it to 150. Scale the weight. So I adjust the volume. Go to scalping. So this is the clay to. By the way, I'm using a pen tablet to do this. So if you do this often, you should have one. I don't think that the fish will be able to see the eyes. I mean, actual fish. Let's do much here. Let's spread out. Okay, let's do much here. Now hit on S or smooth. Smooth to S. Make it bigger. Sorry. S. Okay. Now you can smooth it. Now it's on. Do the other side. Okay, it's not hard anymore. Okay. Next, I will scale the weight of this fish lure. You need a tool. You should have a 3D print tab here. If you don't see this tab, go to Edit, Preference, Adds On, and then you search Print. You should see 3D Print toolbox and click on it, and you will see this tab here. With this tab, you can check for the volume of the object. See, this object has a 8.48 cc volume for 100 grams. So the density of this fishing lure is 100 grams divided by 8.48. That would be 11.79 grams per cc. Normal fishing lure has a density about 10.5 grams per cc, but this one is 11.8 because this fishing lure has the inner core made from tungsten, so it's more dense than regular fishing lure. So I want to make 60 grams of this fishing lure. I will copy. I rename it fish lure 60. Click on transform, scale to volume. Input the volume that you want. In this case, I want 60 gram. 60 divided by 10.5 gram per cc, 5.714. So I put here 5.714. Click on OK. Now it's smaller. See here. Now this fishing lure should weigh 60 grams exactly when using the conventional lead alloy for casting. I'm gonna make one more size, 150 grams. Move it aside. To make it 150, I need to change the volume. 150 divided by 10.5. I need 14.285 cc. Scale to volume 14.285. Hit OK. Now we have 150 grams. Okay, before send out for printing, I need to make a base so that it can stand in the vertical position. I add a cylinder. Yes, here. Boolean modifier to add the disc into the fish model. I click on here, add Boolean object. Okay, now the disc is joined. Now you can delete the original object. Now move to here, add modifier Boolean union, and you click on the disc, hit apply. Then you can delete the original object. I will export this. Click on the object, export, XTL, scale it back to 1000. Click on the files, fish lure 150, export STL. Okay, I export this one, file, export, STL. Click on the file's name, scale it 1000 times, export, go to the slicer. I click on 50, 60, okay, ABS. No brim, 100% infill, slice it, see, the base, okay. Okay, here's the original 100 grams, and this one is the scale 150 grams. So if I use this for making the mold, after casting, the fishing lure will weigh 150 grams. And here is 60 grams. Next video I will show you how I make the mold from this 3D print plastic. Okay, thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.